Pune Municipal Corporation continued its crackdown on unauthorized structures at pubs and bars in the city for a second day today in the wake of alleged consumption of drugs at a local bar. Now, this is as part of the action. Officials of the building department demolished illegal structures of some prominent bars, including Esco Bar and FML Resto Bar. During the day, the Pune police also held two men who were seen with a drug-like substance in a video captured at the bar that went viral. So this action being taken following that video also going viral. Let's go across to Radhika now for more. And Radhika, tell us more about this crackdown on bars and, this whole drug controversy. This is something the opposition MV is also going to be raising in the assembly.
That's right, Gargi. State government and municipal authorities in action mode. Post that video went viral, which showed several people consuming narcotic substance inside a pub in Pune. Post which, of course, authorities have been taking action against several of these pubs which had been flouting building norms, and several of these pubs which had been selling a narcotic substance to youth in Pune. This action comes after Chief Minister Eknath Shinde yesterday, in fact, directed authorities, including Pune police, to take action against many of these buildings that had been flouting norms over the last several years. So therefore, many of these multiple action being taken and FIRs being registered as well, and demolition also happening, bulldozer action also being done in the city of Pune against many of these construction that had been flouting many norms in terms of building norms, and also some of them who had been flouting timing norms as well. Several of these pubs and bars and establishments supposed to shut by 1 a.m. Is open throughout the morning, throughout wee hours, the complaints that have been received by the state government. So yes, action being taken, and Eknath Shinde government are taking this very seriously. Of course, tomorrow is the monsoon session, whereby we expect the opposition to corner government over law and order situation and the rampant drug, so-called drug culture in Pune as well. The government will be targeted, is what several of the leaders from the opposition have said, when the monsoon session starts tomorrow.